I'm Amanda Mertz, and great news, I'm going to show you how to make a poker table without using pocket holes. This is what you'll need. We're going to start out with building the legs for the table. For the base, we're going to use pine untreated 4x4s and pine 2x4s. You will need to make the following cuts from your 4x4s. 2 21-inch boards and 1 5-foot board. Now change your blade angle to 45 degrees and make the following cuts from point to point. 8 11-inch boards, 4 36-inch boards. Now change your angle back to 0 and make 2 5-foot cuts with your 2x4s. Once you have it all cut, we are going to go ahead and sand your boards. Did you really think we were going to do a build without any pocket holes? Joke's on you, pocket hole trolls. Go ahead and make a pair of pocket holes on each side of your 2x4s. Now we're going to go ahead and stain all the boards except for the long side of the 11-inch angled boards and one side of your 21-inch boards. Now we're going to attach all of our base components together. To attach, you can drill insets for your screws and use 2-inch screws to hold it all together. This is what the base is going to look like when finished building. Now we're going to wood fill, wait for that to dry, and then sand and stain the remains installed sides. Now that we have the base built, it's time to build the playing table. Before you start cutting, it will help you to have or create a jig for making circle marks. Ours have positions for 24 inches, 22 inches, 20 inches, and 14 inches. Now using our 1/2-inch whiteboard sheets, let's make a mark on both sides of the 24-inch from the end and 24-inch from both sides. This is where we will drill our jig in to make our circle marks. On this board, we will need a half circle drawn at 24 inches, 22 inches, and 14 inches. You will do the same on the other end and then mark a line from one side to the other to create your ovals. Now using a jigsaw, go ahead and cut your ovals out. On the next sheet of whitewood, we are going to make a 24-inch and a 20-inch half circle. Then draw a line from each end, creating the ovals once again. Just like before, cut them out with the jigsaw. Now lay your 8-inch hollow oval on your workbench with the good side facing down, and then put your 40-inch oval on top of it. Making sure it is spaced evenly on top, screw it to the piece underneath using 3/4-inch screws. This will be your base. Now you can drill holes for your cup holders if you want, then stain the outer circle, which is the racetrack. Now we are going to set it aside and assemble the rail. You will grab the 4-inch hollow oval and put it on top of your workbench. Then screw the 2-inch hollow oval on top of it. Now it's time to add your foam and wrap it in fabric. When you cut your foam, you want it to be 2 inches wider than the rail on the outside and 1 inch on the inside. Once it's cut, use the staple gun and wrap your fabric around, pulling it tight in all areas while stapling it down. Now we're going to do our playing surface and wrap it in felt, stapling it on the bottom. Last, we're going to put it all together. Start by screwing the table down to the base. Once it's secured, go ahead and attach the playing surface, screwing it in from the bottom. Now all we have left is a screw our rail on, just like the playing surface, screwing it from the bottom. Alright guys, that's it. What would you like to see us build on the next Red Hot building? Let us know in the comments and make sure you check out Rated Red's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. From the workshop, I'm Amanda Mertz.